we actually just made it to the hotel room. Kind of fucked it up on the way here. We missed the bus stop, but we managed to get here. We're just looking to get some food now. We got Burger King. We're gonna eat everything already, but
Can someone send help, please?
That's a go for Captain Jack Gimoff. What's your location, son?
Uranus. No, seriously, I think I'm in a box.
Of what?
I don't know, I think I'm in a box.
Well, how the fuck did you get in the box?
The internet. I think the internet put me in a box.
All right, what's the box's coordinates, son?
I don't know, I'm trying to see outside. I think I'm in...
Oh, we're in motherfucking Brussels tonight, baby!
Sounds like there's a lot of people outside here, too.
I'm getting word from base. We have traced your device. You sit tight, son. We're coming to get you.
to the hotel room. Managed to get an Uber here that didn't actually take forever to pick us up, which we were really surprised about. We got a little goodie bag as well. So that's the laminate. This is the t-shirt that I picked out. MGK. And the back just says Machine Gun Kelly Mainstream Sellout Tour 2022. We got a notebook. We got socks. We like socks. And we got a flag. That's pretty much everything all laid out. That is the hoodie that Luke got. And that's it from the front. Has Machine Gun Kelly on the side. So now we're just basically gonna chill with some snacks, hydrate, because we're dying. Well, I'm dying. And probably watch a movie or something. But overall, the fucking concert was amazing. 1000% would recommend if you get the chance to see him. Go. Like, go. Now day 3. We are currently on our way to Autoworld. So far what we've done is basically just grab some breakfast. We got vegan waffles and now we are here. Round 2 was successful. Today is officially our last day. We leave later on the night at about 8 p.m. We just woke up. We're just packing all of our stuff, making sure we got everything. The hotel should be keeping our luggage. We're just gonna probably go and get some shopping done, if that. Get some souvenirs because we haven't done that yet. And then start heading to the airport and going back home.